Hey you guys, it's Linda. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be about the things that I usually don't show on camera, like my dewy fake freckle base and my eyebrows. Usually when I do videos, I start off with my eyes and have my base and my brows already done. But today I'm going to show you how you can actually achieve the brows and the base. When I wake up in the morning, I wash my face. I make sure to use my Glow Cycle Serum and also the Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. After that, I apply the Banana Bright Eye Cream, also from Ole Henriksen. As you can see now, I have no makeup on and my skin is glowing, and it has gone so much better since I start using those products, really. And that's why I also gonna show you this new product that is called Banana Bright Face Primer. This is a primer that is makeup and skincare in one. This is a vitamin C and banana powder inspired primer. It's a bit yellow, which makes it the perfect base to brighten up your skin. If you see like this, it brightens up your skin, it covers redness really well, and it contains vitamin C and vitamin E. So it's a very glowy base. It will leave your skin very hydrated, so it's not a mattifying base. I'm not going to wear foundation today, so I'm going to use this primer alone, and you can use it under your foundation and you can use it mixed with your foundation for a nice healthy glow during the day. The vitamin C is good for anti-aging properties, and when you wear it with your foundation, it will make your foundation last longer. With that said, let's start this video. So I'm gonna use this because I don't want to waste anything. This primer is not supposed to be rubbed into your skin. It's supposed to just glide on your skin. And usually when I use it, I just glide it on like the high points of my face. I want to use it like on my cheekbones because it will look amazing there. And also on my nose, because my nose is a little red, and this yellow tone will cover the redness, which I think is amazing because, as you know, I have had some issues with my skin, and my skin has been red, like very red and patchy, and this actually helps to take away that redness from the skin. After the primer, I use my Emite Correct and Conceal to just conceal spots, or if I have dark circles or anything. People are asking me like, how do you do your freckles? How do you make your freckles so natural? And the thing that I use is actually a root concealer spray. I'm not sure if this is good for the skin or not, but this is what I use. When you press it down like halfway, you will get like a really nice like and also I think this is so much easier to do when you don't have foundation on. If you have foundation on and it happens to be a brown stain on your face, it will be hard to remove it. So this is way easier to do when you have no foundation on. And also I have a white t-shirt on, so I'm gonna cover myself up with a towel. I usually remove some of the freckles because sometimes I think it's a little bit too much, or they are clumpy, or something that I just don't like. And sometimes I want to spray on more freckles, but I like to have a few freckles on my nose and keep it quite centered, like around here. And let's say that I have a red spot somewhere, I just cover it up with an extra freckle. So for my brows, usually when I do my brows, I start off with a brow wax. This one is from Lumene. It's called Nordic Chic Eyebrow Shaping Wax in the shade, it's called Gray Brown. I use this to comb up my brows to see the actual shape of my brow, because I think it's so much easier to fill in my brows when I have the actual shape of the brow already already done. So I'm going back to the Infinity palette again. And for my eyebrows, I am using Cigar, Maffei, and Fornax. So I'm basically using the same shades as I used when I had black hair. I love having really dark brows with the blonde hair. I think it looks great. So I'm starting off with Cigar, and I'm painting like upwards in the front here, first of all. I think that this Cigar shade is really great for brows when you are, especially when you are blonde or dark blonde. And then to fill in like in the front to make it a little softer, I'm using Maffei. That will just add in some fullness. When I want to paint the hairs that I usually do when I do my brows, I take H2Glow face mist and I spray it in a little lid or whatever, and my brush, and I dip my brush into the mist, pinch it together like this, so the brush is a little bit wet, and then I use Fornax to paint the hairs. The brow gel I am gonna use is the gel from the Brow Gel. I think this brow gel tames most brows. I'm gonna go directly to my lashes, and I'm always using waterproof mascara, and it's because my lashes doesn't really curl otherwise. So I'm using the True Mystic Volume Waterproof from Lumene. First of all, I'm just curling my lashes a little bit. I'm going to use false lashes today actually, because maybe why not? For lashes, I'm gonna use Eldora Age 175, the ones that I used in my latest video, and these have become my favorite lashes recently. And I think they works really well for like an everyday look. And I would never say that this is an everyday look and a smoky eye is not, because I think you should just use whatever you like. If you want to rock a smoky eye on an everyday look, or green eyebrows or whatever, you can just do it. It's your choice. Nobody should ever tell you what kind of makeup an everyday makeup is. I will do some tight lining and probably some eyeshadow just on top to make it look more natural. Right now I'm using Hank & Henry's mascara, the Slick With It mascara duo in Cloud. I'm using this tiny brush just to create a lot of lashes on the lower lash line. For blush and highlight, I'm using the Infinity palette. I'm using a mix of Virgo and Milky Way, and as blush usually I use Andromeda. So to enhance the glow on my cheekbones, I'm using a mix of Milky Way and Virgo, and I'm also doing that on my nose. My Cupid's bow, usually I use my finger, and a little bit on my forehead as well. So, and then I go for the blush. I'm using Andromeda. Usually the freckles stay on, and if you remove them with the blush or the highlighter, you can just add some more freckles later on. So I'm gonna use a liner brush and cigar to add some more freckles just where I put the blush. I really want to mattify some parts of my face, like around the nose. So I'm using Linda Hallberg Infinity Filter in Light. I wonder what lip I'm going for. Usually on an everyday basis, I go for a red lip. But maybe I'm gonna go for an orange lip. So I'm gonna line my lips with Melt Cosmetics All Day Everyday Ultra Matte Lip Liner in shade Scandal. Wonder if I should just go for this whole lip, or if I'm gonna go for the orange. Because I was thinking of the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle in Saw C. This is a beautiful orange shade that I love, and now I'm gonna go for it. I really like the mix of these two. Okay guys, so this is the finished look with my little hat on because I felt like it was something missing. Doesn't matter which hair color I have, I need to have the hat on my head to feel like complete. And I really hope that you liked the video. I hope you liked the fact that I finally did the fake freckle and like the glow face video, the eyebrows. Don't forget to click like on the video, thumbs up on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys!